Okay, my next guest is Mark Kanpurwala. He's the VP of Sales and Marketing for a company called Aven. Nice to see you, Mark.
Nice to see you.
Okay, so it's the first time we've interviewed you and to talk about Aven. So for the benefit of our viewers, give us a quick overview about the company and what you do.
Sure. So Aven has been actually, we'll be celebrating our 40th year anniversary next year. In business, and we started out as a hand tool company that manufactures tweezers, pliers, and cutters, originally for the jewelry industry in the early 80s. Then it kind of branched off into electronics, and since has grown from there into not only hand tools but inspection and microscopes and other products. So we basically do everything for the production assembly line and the quality lab are our two main areas that you find our products along.
Okay. Now, I believe you've also got a camera division, or a vision division, should I say. Tell us a little bit about that. Was that something that you brought in through acquisition, or was that something you developed from the ground up?
It's something we developed with our partners. It started out with just magnifying lamps, and it's since evolved into microscopes, cameras for those microscopes, and independent camera systems.
Right.
Just through organic growth, working with our partner factories.
Right, and these are just literally camera units that monitor for quality control at any part of the production line?
Yes, so it's basically just visual inspection. So, you inspect on the production line, you can take an image. We have our own measurement software that goes along with many of the products.
Okay.
And so it's just sort of your basic documentation, image analysis, and image capture.
So is it going to be used in the actual production line, or is it going to be used more in the box build area, that type of thing?
It's supposed to be used in the actual production line. What the cameras can do is it can take eye fatigue away from the operator who's working under 8 hours a day. You can look at the camera for a certain part, but still go under the microscope. For the 3D view that you would need. You lose a lot of the view when you go to a 2D monitor, obviously. Right. And also on the actual quality side to document the quality afterwards.
Right. Okay, that's super. So obviously we're a couple of months away from Apex, which is the biggest show here in the US. Any plans for anything new coming out there?
Yes, actually, we are relaunching a brand new product at Apex, which is a patented product. It's patented not only here, but in Europe and in China as well. We were the first to develop through hearing from our customers, really, that we sell a lot of magnifying lamps. That's one of our bigger product lines. Yeah. But there was never an integration done fully of a camera into the magnifying lamp. So, before it was just strictly visual inspection. The need now is more for capturing, for collaboration, to put it up on a screen. So we fully integrated a camera into a magnifying lamp to where you can now collaborate on a big screen, take images, take it out to a USB to a computer to do measurement. So we're really excited about that product. Obviously through COVID, we were expecting a launch for about 6 months ago. Just the struggles of the environment right now, but it will be ready at Apex, and there will be a big launch for that.
Yeah, we'll look forward to that. So that's got metrology built in, and of course you can extract the data for full traceability. Right. Yeah, that's super. Yep. Great. Well, we'll look forward to catching up with you in San Diego, and thank you for coming in and talking to us today.
All right, really appreciate the time. Thank you.